Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about direct linking with Bing ads and Clickbank. So you definitely want to make sure you stick with me all the way throughout the rest of this video because I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly how to make that happen, all right? All right, so if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so we are inside of the Bing ads dashboard, and basically what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take you through setting up a campaign, and then I'm going to go back and show you how to basically take your raw affiliate link, because when you use that, it causes problems, like especially if you're like sharing something on Facebook, it's going to block that link, or any one of those social media websites. But when you use it like in regards to like Bing ads, what'll happen sometimes is that Bing will automatically, they will reject your ad, okay? So you don't really want to use that particular link that you're going to be getting. And I'm going to show you what it is here in a moment. But you don't want to do that, because if you get lucky and somehow your ad gets approved by just putting your straight raw affiliate link in, Bing will stop that ad no matter how good it's doing, okay? So you don't want to be in that predicament, so let's get right into it. All right, so boom, I'm going to go over to Clickbank and I'm going to show you guys the product that I decided to use just for sake of time, because I don't want to waste too much of your time. All right, so the product I'm using is pretty much going to be related to YouTube. So as you can see here, make money from YouTube with no filming, no marketing, and no website. So what I did is I hit the promote button and then I generated a hop link. So let me show you right over here. So this is my actual affiliate link for that particular product. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy that, and then I want to go over to a software called clickmagick.com, which I use quite regularly. Now, from there, I want to go ahead and create a new tracking link. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the primary URL, I'm going to put my raw affiliate link in there. Now, at this point, I'm just going to type in tracking for YouTube, okay? All right, so tracking for YouTube, that's the name of the link. Now, what I would do over here, I would probably just put YouTube Bing ads, something like that. All right, so YouTube Bing ads, that's what I would have for that. And then at this point, I'm done. So I'll hit create link. And then once the link is created, I'll then go back, find that link, and then I'll take that link, and then we're going to use that a little bit later. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to tracking for YouTube. All right, and then what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to click here on the little whatever this is. I forget what this is sometimes. And then I'm going to hit the copy tracking link. Now, from here, I'm going to go back to inside of the Bing ads dashboard. Now, what I would do is I'm going to go ahead and set up a quick campaign. Nothing crazy. It's not going to be all detailed. I just want to show you how this works. So I'm going to hit visits to my website next. All right, now I'm just going to set up pretty much like a fake campaign. So I'm going to put test in there. I'm going to put $10 a day. And then I'm going to just leave it on Canada and United States. I'm going to uncheck people searching for or viewing pages about your targeted locations. Always take this off unless you have like a different objective. I always take that off. All right. All right, and then the language, I have English, right, because I speak English. Now, depending on where you're targeting, right, if your product is in Spanish, you can do marketing like that. But just for this video purposes, we're using English. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save and go to the next step. All right, now this is the part where you pretty much are going to be putting in the keywords. So basically the phrases that are going to help people find your ad. That's what you're going to be putting in here. So you definitely want to do some research on that depending on what the product is. All right, so what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to see if they're going to let me bypass to the next page. Okay, so they're not letting me bypass. So let me at least put in a ad group name. So I'm just going to put test ad group. All right, and then I'm just going to put YouTube marketing. Okay, we'll just go with that for right now. Marketing. All right, so we should be good to go now. So I'm just going to hit save and go to the next step. All right, so now it's where I'm going to be setting up my ad. So let me go back over here to my notepad. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the main site. Let me show you the main site. So this is the product right here. It's called YouTubeSecrets.com. Okay, so this is where people are gonna come when they click on my actual affiliate link. So what we're doing is we're taking the main site, not with any of my affiliate stuff attached to it. We're gonna take this main site and we're gonna go back over to our campaign. We're gonna put that right here. Okay, so YouTubeSecrets.com. Now I know some of you are probably like, well, how am I gonna get credit for it if it's the actual main site? I'm gonna show you exactly how you're gonna get credit for it, trust me. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna grab this little copy right here and see if this will fit. All right, so boom. Okay, so it's exceeded. So I'm just gonna put YouTube Secrets. All right, and let's go. Let's just keep it as YouTube Secrets, and then we'll just go from there. All right, so I'll just put this tag, this little brief description in the description part. All right, so add text, boom. So there's our ad right there. Now at this particular point, I'm gonna put the same link for the mobile link as well. All right, so now this is the part. Now after I get to the end of the ad, I'm gonna show you how to go back in there and make this actually count for you. All right, so let's continue to go down and we are done. So I'm just gonna hit, oh, sorry about that, guys. YouTube Secrets, test. Okay, we'll go with test, and looks like I exceeded the amount of characters. So let's just erase them out. Okay, so there's our ad right there. So I'm gonna hit save now, and boom, that ad is actually created. Now from here, I'm basically just gonna keep going throughout the rest of the process and try to finish the process, because you're basically, in order for you to be able to go back and do it, you're gonna have to go through fully creating your ad, and then you're gonna go back in. All right, so we're gonna do a double check on the daily budget. And then right here, I never leave it on enhanced CPC. I always do manual. So I want what I set. I don't want them to run, whatever they want to run with it, because I want to spend what I want to spend. All right, so that's essentially what that means. All right, so from here, based on what I have, if I do $1 for the bid, I'm gonna get 2 clicks per month. We're not really worried about that right now. I just kind of want to move throughout the process. All right, so I'm gonna hit save. Now, the ad is basically going to be in pending mode, and it's looking to be approved, okay? It's in review. So now what we want to do is we want to go back into that campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit all enabled campaigns. So basically any campaigns that I have set up right now. All right, so from this point, I want to click on the campaign I just created. And then from here, what I want to do is I want to go into the ads, okay? You see the ads tab right here? I go to the ads tab, I go back into the ad as if I'm trying to edit it. Now remember, when we were setting up the ad, the only section we had was pretty much everything above here, okay? We didn't have the ad URL options, but now we do. So hopefully you're starting to understand how we're going to be able to use the tracking link that we literally just created in Clickmagick. All right, so let's go to click on add URL options. Now, as you can see, I can put a URL in there. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to copy my tracking link that goes directly to my affiliate link. And I'm going to put that link right in here like that. Now, at this point, when I hit add URL options, now you can see the tracking template has my tracking link. So that means that anytime somebody sees this, so when people see this, YouTube Secrets, it's really going to my tracking link. Okay, so that's literally how you can direct link using Clickmagick, trying to advertise here on Bing, guys. It's a very simple process. I didn't really know about it. I've just been going through a lot of courses, looking at some content, trying to figure these things out. This is definitely something that I recommend for you to do as well. Just get out there, do some research, spend some money if you have to on a course, because that course may have the information that you actually need to be able to get to the type of results that you're looking for. All right, so I'm going to just hit save, and boom. So now all I would have to do is just wait for my campaign to be approved, and then anytime somebody sees YouTube Secrets, as I showed you, they're really clicking on your actual affiliate link. So hopefully that right there makes sense. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and delete that campaign right now, because obviously I'm not going to do that. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.